Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy US stocks on Moomoo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is open up the Moomoo application, and then once we're here, make sure to log in or sign up. From here, on the bottom, we got watchlist markets accounts. Go ahead and click onto markets. And then on the top, we've got different tabs. We've got over US, AU, ETFs, options, Hong Kong. We want to click on US. So this is all the US stocks inside of this. So we can scroll down and check out any one of these. So we've got heat maps, rating changes, we've got earnings, earnings beat, economic calendar, featured list, etc. So just choose any one of these. And then once you're on the page, there should be a buy button on the left. So now if I want to buy some US stocks, ETFs, I want to click on ETFs and say, for example, I want to grab this one here. And you can see the price, the high, low volume, the chart. And if I want to trade and buy these, I'm going to click on trade, click on buy. And then it's got the session type, order type, the price, put in the quantity and the amount. So if I want to get, say, two of them, it's going to give me the amount of 112 USD. Time in force day, we can change this if we like. Then from there, simply go ahead and buy it and make that purchase.